What's up? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Britt. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. You've just seen the lookbook for how to style midi skirts. Now I've just styled 4 different midi skirts for you guys, and now I'm going to tell you a little bit more behind the outfit. So outfit number 1, I chose this midi skirt from Zara. I am in love with this midi skirt. This just gives me so many old school vibes. The colors, the pattern, the buttons, the everything. Like, I'm living for this midi skirt. But I know this wouldn't appeal to a lot of people, so I try to really dress it as simple as possible. So I did pair it with this cropped knit, and I just found this one at the op shop. And speaking of op shop, my next video is finding trends at the op shop, and I did find this one. So yeah, you can definitely find trending pieces for affordable prices, and I will show you guys in my next video, so stay tuned for that. Little sidebar. But yeah, I started with that, and then I just added my plain black mules. These ones are from Therapy. I wear these literally almost every single day. I just think they go with so many outfits. I think when you want to like be a little bit cute but really dressed down, I think these are like my go-to shoe, just because they don't have that much of a big heel, but they do show that you kind of like putting effort into your outfit, if you guys know what I mean. I then paired it with this black bag from Big W. Now this is just like my go-to black bag. It just fits everything in it, and it's super easy, super lightweight. And like I said, I just really wanted to kind of dress this skirt down to be really basic, but still really like sophisticated, and yeah, you guys get what I mean. Alrighty, next up is a little something different. Next up is something a little different. There we go, I got it. This one is a skirt from a midi skirt. Well, they're all midi skirts. This one's from Zara. I really love this skirt, and I did intend it to wear it out. And I did have this outfit in mind as I would wear it out to dinner or to go on like a girls' night or something. I love wearing midi skirts out. I think it's really sexy, especially this one, because it really shows, it really like hugs tight here, and then like kind of flares, not really flares out a little bit, but just kind of like drops really nicely. So I used this one, and I paired it with this graphic tee that I got from Princess Polly. Now, I love white on white at the moment, and I love red, as you can tell, so I thought this was the perfect combination. I did pair this with my new boots, and I got these boots from the Iconic. These are by the brand Betts, and these are literally my new babies. I will have a video styling these boots and my white pair soon, if you guys want some extra outfit inspiration. But yeah, these are like the love of my life. They're like my witch boots, because they're very pointy at the front, but I'm just like so in love, and I just want to wear them with every single outfit. So I thought this was the perfect chance to just give that extra bit of pop of color, take it from the t-shirt to the shoes. And then obviously I also added in a leather jacket, because you know, when you go out at night it's very cold, and I think leather jackets just go with everything. Like, I actually think every single outfit in this video could be paired with a leather jacket. So next up is this polka dot skirt from, again, Zara. Sorry, Zara just had the best mini skirts and I couldn't help myself, but I'm actually loving this skirt. It's very, very lightweight. So, I mean, when it gets really cold, you might have to like put some stockings or something underneath it, but for now in Brisbane, it's fine. I paired this one with this cropped long sleeve knit sweater kind of shirt. I guess it's more of like a sweater. This one's from Princess Polly, and I love this, like, for layering and for by itself, and just for like adding a little bit of oomph to your outfit. This is like so cute. I've had this since last season. I've worn it so much already, and obviously I was feeling myself in that outfit, so I did add my sunnies. These are just from Le Specs, and these are my like I'm feeling myself sunnies. These are like what I would wear if I ever went to like Fashion Week. This outfit just, I can just picture myself, or you know, someone wearing this to Fashion Week. I don't know why, I don't know if it's just the skirt, but like this whole entire outfit I was just like vibing myself. And then with that outfit I did just add my trusty old Kmart sling bag. I will probably be wearing this outfit to uni, so that's why I've added it with that. I just thought it would dress it back a little bit more, so it would be more appropriate to wear to a few different places like uni, but I mean, I wear anything anywhere, so yeah. Alrighty, last but not least, and it is, I'm still wearing it because it was super comfy, but I paired this sweater, big chunky red sweater, which I got from Zara for only like $20, which was insane, with this black midi skirt I got from Glassons. You guys have seen this skirt so many times. I got it for my cruise last year and I've worn it to death, so I bought it for summer. I'm still wearing it in autumn, and I think it's a great transitional piece and a great basic in anyone's wardrobe. I think it can be dressed up or dressed down, and like I said, you've seen it so many times on my channel. I almost didn't want to use it, but I thought it was just so cute with the block colors. And then I wore this with my black mules just to make it super easy and basic, still really stylish, but to be able to like run out of the house, go to uni, sit in a uni class, be able to kick off your shoes and just like chill. And then I paired it with my Tony Bianco bag. I love this bag so much. Obviously if I was going to uni I wouldn't take this bag, but I just think this is so cute and such like a vlogger bag. Like this bag just reminds me of Lydia Elise Millen. If anyone watches her, I love her so much. That's another story. But this bag just like makes me feel like so extra, and I absolutely love it. I just thought it gave the outfit just that like extra touch that it needed. I really did want to style this outfit with these white booties. I kind of held myself back because I will be doing, like I said, a video about these red boots and these white boots and styling them. But I think that's definitely a look to be able to just do like block colors, and I think it would really tie nicely with the bag that I use. But yeah, that's just a little side note for you guys. If you're wanting to wear booties with it, I think it would look super cute. Alrighty guys, that's enough talking from me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for making it to the end. I really appreciate you guys. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up so I know what videos you do like and what videos you don't like. Also let me know what your favorite Also let me know what your favorite outfit was in the comments below. That would be better. Let me know what your favorite comment was too, if there's a few down there. I don't know. Also guys, if you aren't subscribed, make sure to do so. I have been pumping out the videos for you guys. I'm really trying to stay on top of it. I'm really hoping you're liking all the videos, so yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'm gonna just get out of here, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!